Why is it that ethics plays such a crucial role in research publication? Well, imagine a world where there's no accountability for the information we consume. A world where data manipulation, plagiarism, and false authorship run rampant. Not a very promising picture, is it? The integrity of research hinges heavily on the ethics of publication, which serve as the bedrock of credibility, transparency, and quality in published works. Diving right in, we'll begin with the best practices in publication ethics. Firstly, honesty and accuracy are non-negotiable. Researchers need to report genuine findings and give credit where it's due. Fabricating data or plagiarizing someone else's work is a severe ethical breach that can derail the entire research process. Next, authorship. It's a straightforward principle. If you've made a significant contribution to the research, your name deserves to be on the paper. If not, it doesn't. Simple as that. Then we have peer review. This is where qualified experts scrutinize the research to strengthen it and identify any potential flaws. It's like a quality control check for research. Conflict of interest is another critical issue. Authors and reviewers must disclose any circumstances that could potentially influence their work or judgment. Transparency is key here. Finally, responsible data sharing. This practice not only allows for verification of the research, but also fosters further exploration in the field. Now, let's talk about the standard-setting initiatives and guidelines. The Committee on Publication Ethics, or COPE, is an international forum that provides guidelines for handling ethical issues. Whether it's plagiarism or authorship disputes, COPE's core practices outline the best ways to maintain publication integrity. In the medical field, the World Association of Medical Editors, or WAME, lays out the ethical principles for publishing. Their recommendations for the conduct, reporting, editing, and peer review of scholarly work serve as a guiding light for ethical standards in medical research publications. There are also other organizations like the Equator Network, which promotes transparency and completeness in health research reporting, and the Council of Science Editors, or CSE, offering resources and guidelines for scientific editing practices. So, to wrap things up, publication ethics are not just important, they are vital. They ensure the quality, transparency, and credibility of research, fostering public trust in the findings. By adhering to these best practices and guidelines, everyone involved in the research publication process can contribute to the advancement of knowledge across all disciplines. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the crux of why ethics matter in research publication.